Hi guys, welcome back to another abandoned video. Today we are on stage 16 of the Merseyside Abandon. We are at another location inside Liverpool today. We're down on the Dock Road. I am with Great Beard Media, it's just in the background right there. Make sure you go over and check his channel. But yeah, we're at another abandoned location today and we're going to go check the place out. This place is absolutely fantastic. If some of you don't know it, it's what's it called, Wayne? Merseyside food products. If you know the place, then you know the place. But let's get into this video, guys. It looks quite cool. Look at all this here, guys. All leftover stuff and all that. Oh wow, look at that. The old Vauxhall thing, the old Vauxhall hubcaps. That's quite cool, that. I'm going to be coming back and get a screenshot of that. So this must have just been free building since the car building. We'll do a bit of history on this to the end, guys. We're not going to do a full history now. We're just coming down, have a little look around, not causing no damage. As you can tell, the building's damaged enough as it is. But this is a massive, massive project. I don't know whether to attempt the stairs and to go up the stairs or not. There's a bit of a bush there. We have been to a different location today, but we couldn't get up. But I'll get up there in a minute. You know me, guys, I like taking the risk. Yeah, guys, if you are new to this channel, and you do like this type of content, please hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, get that post notification bell, and share to family and friends and work colleagues. Just bear with me, guys, I'm going to be torch out because being a bull, that's a little dark place. And we're back in the video, guys, so let's have a look. Oh wow, this place has been completely gutted out, man. It's ridiculous. Oh, Wayne stumbled on something. Oh wow, the old pump generator, septic tank pump. Yeah, guys, we're not going to cause no damage. The whole place is completely damaged enough as it is. What? No, apparently Wayne's found under the safe. The old steel drum gas canisters. You know, I shouldn't really be kicking things, guys. It'd be funny if that just went boom. Oh well, look, Wayne, it must have been a truck in here, mate. Yeah, because there's all the... Where? Oh, there. Oh, wow. Wow, guys, this is mad. Could you be any more noisier? Safe, guys. Yeah, we're not going to go that way, guys, because it is a bit flipping noisy. Well, I'll make way over. If you go ahead, mate, it's fine. Just let me know your location, mate. You're out all the time, though. Steering wheels there, guys. burnt out cars and everything inside of here. Oh, you don't see them very often, do you? The old Ford Mondeos. Guys, let me know if you had the Ford Mondeo when you were back in kids. I know. I think my dad had one. And then he had a Toyota Red Bull. I get to the stairs. I'll be going up there in a minute. No smoking, considering the place is actually burnt out. Oh, what car sounds that? This used to be a car garage, mate. Yeah, there's loads of car parts everywhere, mate. God knows, mate, but whatever this is, mate, it used to be a... Wow. Old steel drum, mate. What electrical bolt?
You reckon them stairs are set?
I'm going to test them in a minute, mate. I just want to check out the ground floor first before I go up. This place is unreal. Just to let you know, guys, it's a crazy world we live in, and this is why it's called a crazy world, because there's places. Oh, what car sound was that?
That's off the wheel.
Yeah. There's loads, there's Vauxhall ones and everything. Did you just get the Ford Mondeo thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, the boot, that was cool, mate. You chanting that or? Oh yeah. No, everyone say goodbye to Wayne, he's about to tempt fate. While he's going that way, I'm going to have a little wander around here. Let's see what's out here. What, mate? Door? I'll go up and have a look in a minute. Yeah, guys, that's just the state of nowhere. What, mate? Wayne's shooting me, so I've got to go up and have a look. But we'll go down there in a minute, guys. It just looks like a cool alleyway, that don't. Let's go up and have a look. No smoking. Protect your health. Says me that I'm climbing upstairs. That are like probably unsafe. What's that? Car tube. What you say, mate? All ventilation shop, guys. Electrical winch, but wait, no, there's not a winch, it's a generator. Which? He's talking to people outside. Looks like all the copper's being stripped, guys. Pretty cool, these though. Worth some money, them guys, absolutely worth some money. There's been people inside of here, guys. There's still loads of graffiti. Let's have a little show you where we are. There's a little lock outside. back down we go. Just to let you know why we carry torches, guys. That is why we carry torches, because it is a bit dark in some places. And that, but spoiler. Being inside there, guys, that's where we came out of. Let's have a little wander down here. Do you know what, mate? This makes look like a good crime. I see these program this, you know.
All these broken bricks must have been placed there because they didn't come up from the top.
No, definitely being placed there, mate. They need the torching, you know. And do you know what though? I haven't got a clue even know what that's about, mate. Another car part there, guys. Oh, treasure trove in here, mate. Do you know there's a car that's left in here that's been made up? Yeah, that's the way we came in, isn't it?
Yeah, but there's a building on the side of the stairs.
Yeah, I want to go down there. Oh. Guys, that would have been funny if you wanted to clip that. I just nearly went face first into a metal plate.
There's more rooms over there.
Ah.
More rooms.
Yeah. This place is huge. We need to be careful, mate. There's asbestos on the floor. You're going over there, though. I'm having a look in the next ones then, mate. Guys, if you want to know what's inside that room, go and check out Great Beard Media's. Unless there's something interesting in there. What? Yeah, no, I'll check this other one, mate. Oh, where's the toilet? Are they still intact? Some are. No. Yay, one intact, guys. We got a toilet intact. Anyone needs a toilet? I wouldn't use it. All petrol on. These places have been completely gutted out, man. It's absolutely unbelievable. Let's go and have a little look in this one that Wayne's gone into. It's a shame that these type of buildings get actually left like the way it is. You'd think that with what's going on down the road of the Hill Dickinson Stadium, you'd think they'd come down, redevelop buildings like this and turn them into places. I know that they're in ruins and all that, but you could do things with these buildings. Like, you could turn this into like a bar, a multi-function building. There's literally loads of opportunities that could be done with these places, guys. But we're just coming in, having a look around, documenting for people to come along and actually try and give it a try of what's around. So basically all the roof at the top is completely maybe gone, but this could be a good venue for basically the area. McDonald's, KFC. I know it's a bit of a show, but a bit of money and a bit of effort to this, guys, and it'll be fantastic, especially for this local area. Because we've been walking down Dock Road and there's not been one shop, not one cafe walking down the road, so could be a possibility for you guys.
More stairs.
More stairs?
Yeah.
You been up or? Yeah, I've just been in there then. There's some quite cool artwork in here though, I've got to admit. I know, must have been the old card checking place. Ah, this must be offices then. Which way have you gone left? Yeah. Fancy bed. Boing. Like I was saying, guys, these places are just getting, it's a bit of a shame how some of these get left to the way they are, and how they get left to ruins and all that. It's like, take a look at this. Perfect space. All this could be completely gutted out and it's a beer garden. Rip it all out, massive beer garden there. Oh, there's another safe. What is it? Is it? No, it's like it's up. Looks like there's a pantry. Can I take you for an ice cream? Okay. Random coats, but nothing down there. More car seats. So this must have just been a massive treasure car trove. More offices. I think Greybeard's gone upstairs. Oh, what's inside there? Just another room. Let's go and have a look upstairs to see what's upstairs. I believe that's where he's gone. Guys, these videos are going to be completely uncut.
Found the canteen.
We found the canteen, any drinks of water, the bottles and all that. But yeah guys, if you do want to buy me a bottle of water or a coffee, I'll leave the link in the description below. Go down and have a look, because these days are getting hot and long.
Full English?
I'd like a full English please, yeah. Extra mushrooms, bacon, tomatoes.
Cafe canteen, yes.
Yeah guys, we've got to have a bit of fun with all this too and all that. So. What?
It's thin.
The floor?
Table walk on it,
He says don't walk on it, I walk on it. This is going to be Wayne's Greybeard Media's clip now with my legs just dangling.
I don't have one chance.
Which floor this?
These are different floors and crack there.
Oh yeah guys, you can see how thick this is. Absolute no chance of walking across that, guys. I do apologise. As much as I'm a risk taker, that is just pushing the boat and taking the piss. I'm not that stupid, but yeah.
We can get to that building on the other side, we might have a look.
Like, we're gonna cover the whole lot of this building, mate. This building's unbelievable.
This is definitely more.
This is what exploring's all about, guys. Getting out, exploring, and finding new things. But if you just want a cup of coffee, guys, the cafe is open. Man, could you imagine there's a basement in this place? I'll be like, yes. What is the? No, but what's the name? No, could be horse. Pass, please, sir. Yeah, it's got to be, mate. A health and safety office, first aid kit and all that.
You need a first aid.
I've got my first aid in my bag, mate, so I'm at it. I'd go in that room, mate. There's a box in that room. Looks pretty cool. Mate, I'm going back in that main building, mate. What? Yeah, I've just been in there, mate. I'll leave Greybeard to have a wander around there. What's that? Some of these dirty boxes. No smoking behind this point. Okay. If you say so. motor canopy there. This is what we live for, guys. And go out and explore new places, because you never know what you're going to find or what you're going to stumble across. Like, we were just walking down Dock Road and we just noticed the building. We thought, you know what, let's get in and have a little look. Maybe a bit damaged, guys, but it's for you to document and see what's inside. Like, there's like loads of red chairs being left behind, full building completely destroyed. I'm on to the next location. Yeah, that being down that mate. Yeah, I'm not walking through that, that's like asbestos. Can you get up down there? I want to go to that building over there. But yeah, guys, if you are new to these channels and you do like exploring videos, and you do have other locations that you want us to actually go and have a look, leave a link in the description, leave a pin in the comments, and my Instagram is going to be in this video too. So if you have got any locations, send them my way. Go onto my Instagram, give me a follow and let me know, and me and Grapebeard will be more than happy to go and check them out, whether it's in Liverpool or outside of Liverpool. Well, let's have a little more look into this video. Oh, I could just kill a bee around them. Like a little outhouse there. Right, I'm gonna wait for Grapebeard because I don't want us to be separated, guys. And if you are doing these type of videos, please make sure that you let someone know where you are all times. So if you ever do get into a building and people don't know where you are, just let them know. Call them saying, listen, I'm in this location. If anything happens, you know the place. But the reason why I'm waiting for Grapebeard Media is so we don't get separated in case something happens to us in the video. So what we're doing now, Grapebeard is just actually walking down now to meet me. So what we're going to do, we're going to try and cut across and get into that building, because that building is abandoned too. But we've got to go through all phones, and silly me has brought shorts out today, guys. But I have been to other places that's been fawned, and yeah, I've been prickled, fawned a lot. But yeah, guys, like I said, as you can see in the videos, we're not here to cause any damage or any destruction. The building's completely damaged the way it is. So what you see in these videos is what you get. But we're going to try and have a little look through this party, you know. I want to go through there, mate, and get into the other side. But this is going to be the fun part, guys, because we have to negotiate thorn bushes. Which? I'm going to go that way, mate. I'm going to cut straight through. You going through there, are you? I wouldn't chance them stairs, mate. Anybody want to laugh? Let's see if he goes up the stairs. Is it? But mate, that's that floor that leads to this, yeah? Ma? No, I'm not, because I'm going to try and go through there, mate. I want to know what's on the other side of this build and this wall here. Yeah, guys, if you don't feel safe doing something, don't do it. Simple as that. If it's your life that's the matter, then it's your life that matters. You cutting through? Because you might want to cut through here, mate. There's quite a few things around here. And we're through. Like an old oh yes, guys, this is fantastic. Oh, that's not fantastic though, just being spawned. there's more places. So I'm gonna walk right down this way. I want to see what's down here, and then there's another exit over there. So old fridges and that's about. Oh yeah, look at the old car axle. That's quite cool, that. But there's another building right in the distance over there. I didn't. The old Venom's car. I think we've disturbed the seagulls, guys. Oh well. The old I'm tempted, guys. I'm going down this way. Sorry. The old Vauxhall Bonnet. Loads of things down here, guys. It's brilliant down here. Looks like a Subaru parts or truck parts. Yeah, what bump is that off then? This is a treasure trove for cars, this, man. Absolutely brilliant. This is a treasure trove for cars, mate. This is like... What? Oh, wow, inside there, mate.
Yeah, still escort.
Oh, hell yeah, guys, this is amazing. This just keep going, mate. Just a full treasure trove of cars, stuff and all that. All the old car, mate, this is a car shop. This is a mechanic shop, mate. Absolutely it is, mate, because have you seen what's down here? There's loads of stuff down here, mate. Oh, I've got to step down here now, shit. I'm not jumping that, mate. I don't know what's underneath all that.
Someone put a chair on.
I know, but I don't know what's on it. God, give me 2 seconds while I just step down this chair, man. That's safe, mate, that's fine. Just grab your camera.
It's not filming anyway. Right, that's me there.
Yeah, it's not, mate. What's that? I'm gonna get my thumbnails in here, mate. Yeah, put your hand on my shoulder. Sorry, guys, we are just looking at sheeting to wait to get down. So. It's fine, you can do that. Guys, I'm gonna cut that scene there so you don't see us getting up and down. Steering wheels, left behind, jacket. Must have been people sleeping in here, mate. Car bumpers. Watch where you're walking, mate, there's flipping nails everywhere. Yeah, my chance in that, guys, there's like lit. You know what, I will see what's up there. office. Oh yeah, cool. Invoice here for parts for Ford, and it looks like a VC5 form, mate. So it's a part shop, this, guys. We just got confirmation. Well, what's the part shop called? It's not. This is not the location for that though. That's a MOT shop, this, mate.
Probably one of the biggest houses in there.
And this is one of the biggest ones we've ever done, mate. If I'm all honest.
Yeah, I've got like garage fires and all.
Have you seen this here, mate? A driver license decoration. Post office slip. When was that? L4, Walton. I'd love to find a burnt out car near me. That'll just make the video. A full burnt out car, man. That'd be actually quite cool. Inside there. You're right. Which? All the bumpers, yeah. I'm not coming back in here, mate. I'm just going to take thumbnails off me videos. Well, mate, I wanted a burnt out car in here, mate. That would have been just made the video. Oh well. There is a way out there, guys, but we're going to go back up the other way because there is another part that we have to see.
We're going to knock that one up
Ah, I'm going back up down that way. I want to see what's on that place down there.
I'll put that in after.
Which?
No, I'll edit that in after.
What part?
If we get it.
What part?
I'm going to show you, but
Oh, the steps.
I didn't get it for the green one.
Which?
I'm not getting up for the green one. You can go if you want.
I'm not going up the green steps, mate. Guys, just to let you know, my health is not that. My health is so important. I am not taking them steps. I do apologise. I've got a son that I've got to think about. So do steps, and there you go. But yeah, guys, if you have enjoyed that video and you want more of these videos, please let us know in the comments below. Go over and check out Grey Beard Media's video in the background too. Hi guys. But yeah, guys, that will conclude the video on the Maisie Foods / car warehouse. This was quite a big one, guys, if I'm honest, really big. I enjoyed that, so please hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, drop a like, share to family and friends and work colleagues worldwide, and we'll catch you again in another one. Be you, be loyal, be happy. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.